Hello good people, welcome back to another e-commerce session of Ecomclips. This is your host Mehedi and today I will talk about Amazon Vine. Why it is important and how as a consumer you can be a part of Amazon Vine. We already uploaded a video on Amazon Vine for sellers. How to add products and enroll in Vine as a seller. Check the I button for the video link. So, what is Amazon Vine? It's an invitation-only program from Amazon, basically to get reviews about products from authentic reviewers. Those reviewers are called Vine Voices. Amazon invites the most insightful reviewers to be one of the Vine Voices. Vine Voices have the opportunity to order the items free of charge or at a discounted price and share their product experiences with Amazon customers. In the review section, they shared their honest opinion about the product they use. The reviews appear with the Vine Voices tag. Now, how you can be a part of Amazon Vine as a buyer? Amazon chooses Vine Voices by invitation. Amazon determines it with several criteria. Most important is the feedback from the other customers about their reviews. How many reviews they have written and how recently they have reviewed are counted as determining factors. Amazon's algorithm matches those reviews to product based on the category of prior purchases. So, first of all, you must be among the regular Amazon shoppers, and obviously you share your thoughts about product experiences you purchased from Amazon. Your reviews have to be accurate and honest. Amazon always notices if you are writing honest reviews regularly without being biased. Also, if your reviews are getting feedback from other customers and helping them purchase, then Amazon may determine to invite you to become a Vine Voice. Remember that Vine is an invitation-only program. Without any invitation from Amazon, you can't be a part of Amazon Vine. All you can do is help your fellow buyers, help with your thought on products you are buying from Amazon. Why it is important? Vine's aim is to help Amazon shoppers with insightful reviews to help with the buying decision. When we are determined to buy something from Amazon, we dig into the reviews. Reviews are one of the most important and influencing factors for buyers to make buying decisions. It's because we want to know the experience of buyers who already used that item. Also, when a consumer like us is telling about an item, it's more trustworthy. But the trust can be fragile. Any buyers can give a review about the items they used. It can be influenced by sellers or vendors. But when reviews appear with the Vine review tag, you can be assured about the honesty of the review. It's a well-implied initiative from Amazon to become a more customer-friendly marketplace. Also, Vine Voices have the unique opportunity to use products free of cost. So, as a buyer, establish the habit of writing reviews. It will help others with their buying decision. Don't forget that you also look for the reviews before purchasing any item. That's everything for today. I hope that one day you will be one of the Vine Voices. If you find this video helpful, hit the like button, share and comment on this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel Ecomclips. Hope to see you again soon. Till then, goodbye.